Hi, and welcome to Micro Tutorials with Niko. Today, we're going to look at analytics in Managebac. I have here the Transdisciplinary Skills tab open. And what I want to show you is the couple of cool features that this has when you as a coordinator are looking into really balancing and monitoring your program. So right here, we got the filters. The filters are easily accessible. They give us all possibilities. We can look at math, we can look at language, additional language, all of them at the same time. The same thing with years. So you can choose or all of them, or you can just, leave only your early years, for instance. You can also show draft units, so the plans, so that you will see what's coming up. So now I want to have like a more closer look of something. Like I want to see thinking skills in our kindergarten. Well, no problem. I can just go over to the eye, hover over, and it shows me all the units that they're using that will actually highlight these ATL skills or these thinking skills here. I want to see what if I want to see what's in images, what particular thinking skills they're using there. I can just go to unit with this green arrow. So this really makes it good when you are focusing on something and say, okay, I want to look at thinking skills across grade levels. I want to see that there is vertical alignment and how they are planning for it. And this is what analytics give you. Thanks for watching.